Sweaty crop. Today's food is very, very easy. Thai egg soup. Yay, yay, yay! Now you can put veggie in it. It can be cabbage or any veggie you like. For me, I'm going to put carrot. Now, egg. And don't forget, dry garlic. Crunchy, crunchy. Ta-da! I told you, it's easy. Yummy! Garlic. Just like every time. Now, time for rice. Carrot and tomato. Now, trim. Ta-da! This is cow pot. Now, brick cow, sweaty crop, pot, brick, gang, got it. Let's do it. Yay, yay, yay! Chili taste. Again, if you don't like chicken, you can use pork or beef too. This will be so yummy. Pit sauce and sugar. Smells so good. Ta-da! Very easy, right? Make it at your home today. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. Sweaty Club. Bye.